Welcome to our Kuttimin mini channel.
We are going to see Radha Krishna glass painting today. Materials required: OHP sheet, glass paint. I am using Fevicryl glass paint here. You can use any brand. Fine liner of glass paint, image printout and crushed aluminium foil. Friends, you need to take OHP sheet first. Then you can take the printout. You can take the printout and turn the printout upside down, and using the sellotape you can paste the printout picture to the OHP sheet. Okay. Using the glass paint fine liner, you can draw the outline of the Radha Krishna. Fine liner for the glass paint will be given inside the glass paint box. It will be like a tube which will be black in color. You can squeeze it and you can use for the drawings. But here I am using a polythene cone shaped tube where I made myself, because the fine liner which given by the Fevicryl got damaged. So I just transferred all the colors into the polythene cone tube and I am using it. Okay. And you can also make homemade outliner, that I will tell in the another video. I am using a sea green glass paint now. It's a green color which will be written as sea green in the bottle. I'm just painting it with the help of brush. You can also pour it directly from the bottle, but to avoid the air bubbles you can use the brush slowly and paint it so that you can avoid air bubbles. I'm using WM blue glass paint to color the small circles around the green circle. Orange color glass paint can be used to color the turban. Slowly you can use the brush and spread the paint over the turban. For peacock feather, you can use sea green color, WM blue and S blue, which is a peacock blue. You can use it and shade it with 3 different colors. And you can also add little bit of yellow color in the center. can add yellow color to decorate the few parts of the turban and feathers. And black color glass paint can be used to shade the hair part of Radhe and Krishna. You can use a pink color to decorate the pearls over the forehead of Radhe and the jimki part of Radhe. Color the shawl with the S blue color, which is a peacock blue color. To the flute you can add brown color, and then for the face part you can use yellow color. To spread evenly you can use straw to spread the glass paint evenly over the face, and to avoid air bubbles I am using the straw and just blowing the air into the straw and just coloring the face part of Krishna. can decorate your painting with different colors. You can put your boundary of your own. You can draw some flowers, leaves to decorate the outside part of the painting. You can use whatever color you like, attractive color you like, and you can draw flowers, leaves, or any background you can draw. Friends, this is the crushed aluminium foil which I am going to place it behind the drawn picture so that it looks shiny and silvery. See, a very beautiful Radha Krishna glass painting is ready. You can decorate your hall with this painting. See how beautiful it is.